Like, y'all, I got a Canon for 100.
Lil' booty's model. She a dance at a club in the city. She like to dance while she hold her titties. Look back at it, look back at it. And she make it turn like a jet right now.
Hey guys, it's me, Rihanna. Welcome back to my channel. So today, by the title, I'm gonna be unboxing my new camera. Guys, I am so excited. This camera has been my life for these past 2 days. So we're gonna open it, we're gonna unbox it. So we also got a mic. So yeah, let's unbox it.
Say baby, try to mention. If you were a star, you'd be the one I'm searching for. Other girls, they got attention, but I just always feel like they're agreeing something. You got obvious, you're pretty. Heard that you're a student working weekends in the city.
I opened it on the wrong side, guys.
Girl, hope you're not too busy. There's nothing wrong. How this little song for you to get ready to.
So this is the first thing we got. Locate mic.
Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that dress on and work it kinda vicious, like somebody's taking pictures. Shut it down,
Okay, it's not on. Put your whole here.
you be the baddest girl around. They notice, but shut it down.
The camera. The pink camera. Tell me I got the camera. Alright guys. The camera. I got it. Let's unbox it. Oh my god. This is the camera that I saved my own money on. Oh my god. Guys, oh my god. Battery. The lenses. You know what? I just want to take the camera out. This is the camera. Look at that. Oh my god, it feels like a camera. Like, it doesn't feel too lightweight. It feels sensitive and fragile. God. This is the camera. Thumbnail. It actually feels like an expensive camera. I don't know what an expensive camera feels like, but I know like this is not some cheap camera. Like, I had a camera and this feels so beautiful, majestic. Like, this looks like, hold on, let me find out. This is made by Canon, but secretly with a different name. All right, y'all. We gotta stop. We have to stop. We need to actually unbox. We can't keep fluttering on how beautiful the camera. I get on my knees for this. So this is the battery. I guess you gotta. Good. Another battery. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the camera. I don't really know how to do this, so I'm gonna sit back.
That boy don't lost his mind. Every time you come around, shut down like computers. Crazy. Stop up into my heart, but you
Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, so my grandmother helped me. So I got the battery in. I don't know how she opened this. Oh yeah, like that. So that's how you put the battery in. She already put it in for me. Okay. So these are the lenses. So look at how clear these are. It feels so good. Like lightweight. And this is everything. Oh, Mike. Mm. There. I'm about to break it. Dang. Trying not to break it. I'm rushing. I need to stop rushing. Lock the microphone on the camera hot shoe. Okay. Now where do I put this? Oh, so it's a slider. I don't think you have to twist it. I think you just take it off. Why is it so hard to take off? Let's turn it on. It says welcome. The quality is amazing. Oh my god. The quality is amazing, y'all. It's giving better than Canon. Alright, so this quality is like, y'all, I got a Canon for 100. This is the camera. I like it. I love it. Amazing. We're gonna be back. I'm gonna try to get some. I like it right now, but I also wanna change the menu because I saw a lot of people saying different settings. So it's beautiful. This is heaven. Subscribe to me to see my heaven videos. Hey guys, it's me, Rihanna. So this is testing. Oh my god, autofocus. Okay. So I just want to come on here and say Video quality is really good. Hey guys, so this is me testing the camera. Alright, so as you see, this is it on this side. This is it on this side. As you see, it looks good in certain lights, so make sure you have a light when you're recording. Video quality is great. It just depends on the lighting. I mean, like, guys, this is good. This is really good. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I can't wait to film my first video using this camera.